here we are. We're starting our journey together. And you're just wanting to know the fundamental basics. How do I become a content creator? You need to just throw it out there. So here we are, we're throwing it out there. Good audio, so the person watching the video can listen to what you're having to say and present yourself, kind of in a natural setting, like you're talking to an actual person, like you're in a conversation with a person. And for me, that has been a big, huge obstacle. Still working on it, and I'm brand new at this. And start recording. The way that this room came about in the office in my house, there's too many interruptions. And a couple of years ago, my wife told me when something wasn't going right, she goes, just make it how you want. I saw an opportunity for this room here, and I kind of just threw things together of what I had. If you're wanting to get into making videos, just start. Just start making videos and put them out there. Where my hair is a mess. My hair is a mess right now, I think. And I got my old sweatshirt on. I actually have a nice shirt hanging in the corner. I should go and put that on and then edit, but oh well. I will show you what turning on a few lights and the difference that it makes, if that makes a big difference to you. Let me shut up on how to get started on making YouTube videos. This, then you certainly can do it, because want to inspire you to get started. Just start. You can sit there in your living room on the couch. Just turn your TV set off so that you're not going to be so distracted. I said the hardest part about ever doing anything is just getting started. So you just got to get started. So here we are. We're starting. My light is terrible. It's not right. Try and zoom in on this here. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, this is horrible. I suck at this. Oh, there we go. Huh. So, see, when you're just learning and you can be terrible, there's probably, I guess there's like 500 hours of YouTube video being loaded up every single minute of the day. So if you're watching this, just look at how lucky you are that you and I are now together and you're watching this video and you're starting YouTube. Congratulations. It's going to be fun. It's going to be challenging, and it's nerve-wracking, but it's really, really fun. I hope that you have a good ride. Mine's been pretty good so far. I just want to help you, the people that are new to this, just like me, get started. Feel free to ask. You can just use your phone all by itself if you have a decent phone. My phone is the S23 FE. Android, I guess it is. So that's how new I am. And so if you have a little bit better idea than me, you're just that much farther ahead. And I guess this is going to be it. Thank you for watching, and good luck. Bye.